Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show how to solve subtraction equations using concrete manipulatives and pictures. Okay, first things first. Showing kids place value is very important, and something that is very helpful are what we call base 10 blocks. So these would count as units, so that would just be 3. These count as tens because you can see there's 10 cubes in there. And these count as hundreds because there's 100 in there, okay? So when we're talking about subtraction, let's take, for example, 73 minus 21. I would want to build 73. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? And 3 ones, and I like to line the ones up next to the tens. Okay, then you teach the kids, okay, we need to take away 2 tens and 1 1, and that gives us 52. As you might have noticed, I underlined what I subtracted or took away. That way the kids can keep track so that they don't take away the same number twice. How this would be shown as a picture is the tens are drawn like this, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, or they can also make them look like this so they don't confuse them with tallies. So there's my 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Here's my 73. And then the kids need to take away 2 tens and 1 1. They can even label this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Okay. Now, this equation didn't require regrouping, and that's a difficult concept for kids sometimes. So let me show you how we teach that, and I'll show you what I mean by regrouping. So we'll start with 73 again. This time we're taking away 45. Okay, so I'm going to take away my 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. Take away my 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, uh-oh, now what do? Well, this is where the kids need to regroup, which means I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to trade it for 10 ones. And I like to line up the 10 ones with the 10. Because again, it helps the kids understand that a 10 is made of 10 ones. Okay, I've already taken away 3 ones. I need to take away 2 more. So now my answer is 28. You can show this as a picture. Start again with 73. (10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. Take away 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. Take away 5 ones, 1, 2, 3. Oops, I need to take 10 and regroup it as 10 ones. And now I can take away my 2 ones. I have 28. I'm going to use the backs of the paper to save paper. There we go. We can use the same strategy for numbers in the hundreds. So say, for example, I have 338 minus 162. Here are my hundreds. So 100, 200, 300, 330, 338. And you can see that these manipulatives come in different colors. It doesn't matter what color it is, it's still the same. Okay, I'm going to line it up. All right. I can take away 100 Now I need to take away 6 tens. Oops, I only have 3. So that means I need to take the 100, trade it in for 10 tens. Sometimes I like to use like different colors so the kids can, it's easier to see, contrast them, compare them. Okay, now I need to take away 3 more tens. 1, 2, 3. And I need to take away 2 ones. So we have 176. Again, we can show it to them as a picture. Okay, so I would draw my hundreds like this, my tens like this, and my ones like this. Take away 100, 60, 10, 20, 30. Oops, I need to take away this 100, trade it in for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away a 10. And so I've taken away all of my tens that I needed. And then I need to take away 2 ones. So the answer is 176. Now, I bet I know what you're thinking. This is really tedious, right? Why don't we just do the up and down method? So this is how we start teaching subtraction. We don't want kids to forever use this strategy because that would be very inefficient. We start with this strategy because we want them to manipulate numbers and understand how to break numbers apart. In other videos, I'm going to be showing the number line strategy, break apart strategies, and then finally the algorithm. So again, this is not what we always want kids to do, but we want to start with pictures and manipulatives so that they understand the concept. I hope this video helped you and have a great day. Thanks.